Step into the future of technology. Today, welcome to AI in Action, a robotics experience. A one-day tech adventure designed for curious minds ages 11 and up. From smart sensors to machine learning, students won't just use technology. They'll learn to build it, train it, and make it come alive. Kick off the day by building your own interactive tech bot using processors like microbit, DC motors, sensors, and logic-based tools. Then, get ready to train your very first AI model using Google's Teachable Machine. Watch your project respond to the world around it, just like smart systems in real life. Finally, team up for the Smart and Safe Spaces Challenge, solving real-world problems with your tech and racing gesture-controlled rovers to the finish line. No experience needed, just your imagination, creativity, and a passion for discovery. Join AI in Action, where you'll learn to think like a technologist, build like an engineer, and dream like an innovator. Be part of this incredible journey with Creya Learning, where intelligence meets engineering and tomorrow's technologists are made today.